Dear students, welcome to DHS Informatics. Today we are going to see Logical Programming, Programming Fundamental Part 5. In this we are going to cover the topic for loop. DHS Informatics on coming Saturday, that is 25th July, around 4 to 5 p.m. we are conducting a free web development online training for the kids. We are going to cover HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is a basic outline. It is suitable for 10 to 16 years. Those who are interested, in the description I am giving the registration link. Please fill that link so that you will get a call from our side and we will communicate through your WhatsApp, and we will inform you how to attend the online session. Thank you. Please, without file, register the link. The question for this session is, what is the abbreviation for ASCII? ASCII. We will see it in the last. Now we are going to see about for loop. In for loop, using for loop, we are going to do two programming: printing 10 numbers, printing even numbers, and we are going to compare for loop and while loop. Before entering to the topic, you are not registered this channel or you are not subscribed this channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that only you will get our updates quickly. The syntax for loop is, for we have three things in the for loop: initialization, condition, update. In my previous session I taught you about the while loop. In that while loop we are used to print the 10 numbers. No, we are initializing c equal to 1. No, that is called initialization. Condition, that is c is less than or equal to 10, we are getting that condition. Then each time low time we are incrementing by 1. No, c equal to c plus 1, that is called update. In for loop we have to give all the three in a single line only, so that the curly bracket shows the starting and end place. Inside that we can keep any number of statements so that all the statement will be executed. The flow I will show it in the flow chart. Here first step in the for loop is initialization. Suppose you are initializing we call it as an index variable or counter. That counter you have to initialize. You are initializing the counter c equal to 1. Test condition, c is less than or equal to 10. I am giving, no, that is the condition. Suppose I am initializing c equal to 100, here testing the condition, c is less than or equal to 10. I am checking the thing, it became false, so that it will not enter into the body of the loop, it will go out directly. Suppose I am initializing c equal to 1, here the condition is c is less than or equal to 10, means it is a true, it will come, it will execute the body of the loop. Then update expression means c equal to c plus 1 we are giving, no, that will be executed, again it will come back to the top, so that it will be repeated until 10 times, then it will go out false, like that. That is a do while loop and for loop, more or less same only. For loop and the while loop, both are more or less same only. In that while loop we have to maintain the things, but in the for loop we are giving everything in a single sentence. First thing only. I can, using the for loop we are printing the thing. Instead of the variable c, I am using I here. It is for the printing the 10 numbers. I am initializing I with 1. Condition, I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. That is the increment operator. You can give I equal to I plus 1 also, you can give I plus 1 also increment. It will go on print, again it will be incremented. First initialization, condition checking, after it will go on print 1, then it will increment it to 2. Again it will go and check that 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, again it will be print, like that it will go until 10. 11 it will come out of the loop. Here the second part I am giving you another example. You can use I is less than or equal to 10 you can give, or I is less than 10 you can give. Both are correct only, it will give the same output. Hope you understand. Even number, I want to print the even number. What I have to do? Nothing, you have to initialize the variable I equal to 2 and you have to give increment each time the loop updation I equal to I plus 2. So that what will happen, first time it will print 2, next time it will increment it by 4, it will print 4, like that it will be keep printing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to 10 it will print. Then it will become 12, it will come out because condition is not matching. Or similarly you can give I is less than 11, you can give. Suppose you think you want to print odd number, what you have to do? Same, here initialize I equal to 1, that's all. Again it will print 1, again it will be incremented by 2, 3, it will check the condition, it will come 3 and 5, 7, 9, up to 9 it will print. It is very simple. Now what is the difference between while loop and for loop? The difference between a while loop and the for loop is that with the for loop, the computer knows how many times around the loop it will go before starting the loop. A compiler should be able to optimize the code more easily than with the other types of loops. In for loop, when we have to use the for loop, when we have to use the while loop, means we know fixedly how many times this loop is going to be executed. Then we have to use the for loop. While loop also we can use a similar purpose, but sometime without the counter also we can do. For example, I'm checking with the thing, I'm making that flag equal to true. If flag equal to true, it will enter into the loop. It will ask the input the name. I'm giving the name. Do you want to continue? You are giving yes. Again it will go. If the response is yes, again it will be enter. So that it become infinite. So that when the user is inputting no only, that time it will come out. Until that it will be keep rotating. So that we can't able to predict that how many times it is going to enter into the loop. So that situation we will use the while loop, but we know fixedly 10 times, 100 times, 1000 times we are going to exit, means better go with a for loop. For loop is a much faster than the while loop. That is the main difference between the while loop and the for loop. Okay, hope you understand. What is the abbreviation for ASCII? I told you, that is ASCII is nothing but an American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Actually, why we use this ASCII code means you have to enter into the character system. I already told you the computer is an electronic device. It will store only the positive and negative current. That means ones and zero. Each and everything we have to tell to the computer by means of ones and zero. Computer also know A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3 and open bracket, close bracket, everything. But we have to tell to the computer in the terms of ones and zero. But it is a very difficult, no? For that purpose only we are having ASCII table. For example, capital A, the value of the capital A in the ASCII table is 65. 65 will be converted into binary form. That is a 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, like that it will be converted. Then that will be going to be stored in a computer. Usually we call it as an 1 byte. In that 1 byte, 7 byte will be taken for the alphabets. That is A to Z, small a to Z, and 0 to 9 and some special character. These are 1 to 128 will be mainly used for the computer oriented thing. It will have the 256 characters. Remaining 128 characters, it will have some other special character, it will be there. Okay, it is a very fundamental ASCII thing. You want more detail, you can watch my next video. Again I am telling you we are having free web development online training for kids on coming Saturday, that is 25th July 2020. In the description I am given the link. Please press the link and register for your seat. Okay, and it is the timing is on Saturday, it is a 4 to 5. We will communicate through you on WhatsApp and we will provide the link, online link. During that time our trainer will come into person and they will explain the sessions to you. Okay, thanks for watching this video. You like this video, press like button, and you are not subscribed this channel, I am requesting you to subscribe, then only you will get my next videos. Okay, and you want to share anything, please mention in the comment. Register for the online training program. It's a free, absolutely free, and you will get benefited. Thank you.